Come closer because I'm going to tell you something no one else will. There is one secret that every successful person in the world knows, but no one talks about. They hide it because if everyone knew it, average people would disappear and the world would be filled with unstoppable achievers. Today, I'm showing you that one secret, and by the end, you will know how to use it. Welcome back to Whisper of M, your channel for raw, powerful motivation. And today is special because it's all about the 1% secret that separates the common man from the successful one. If you want to truly unlock your success, hit that subscribe button now because your future depends on it. I mean it. Now, let's look at some people who started from zero, faced failure, yet become legends. Mr. Beast, a YouTuber who started with nothing, yet now builds billion-dollar videos and give away millions. His secret: I just keep going even when it seems impossible. Shah Rukh Khan, from small town Delhi to Bollywood reality, he says success is not overnight. It's everyday learning, failing, and trying again. Taylor Swift, writing songs at 14, facing rejection after rejection. She reminds us no matter how many doors close, keep writing your story. Steve Jobs, who was fired from his own company, yes, but said you have to love what you do and never give up. Cristiano Ronaldo, a boy from Portugal who became one of the greatest footballer ever. I don't want to be the best. I want to keep getting better every single day. Notice something? Every single one of them faced hurdles, failure, criticism, and yet here they are. What's the common thread? It's not talent, luck, timing alone. It's something far simple but more powerful. The 1% secret, the thing nobody talks about, is consistency. Every single successful person, regardless of field, country, or industry, keeps going. They show up every day, even when motivation dies, even when it's hard, even no one sees them. That's it. That's the secret. Keep showing up, keep practicing, keep failing, keep learning, and slowly the world changes around you. So, what about you? Are you going to sit and wait for luck, for talent, or for someone else to give you permission? Or are you going to get up right now and start showing up for your dreams, your career, your sports, your art, your future? Everything depends on one thing. You never stop. Every hour you waste doubting yourself, every day you give up too soon, someone else is building their empire. Don't let that be your story. Be the one who keeps going when everyone else quits. Be the one who turns that 1% effort every day into 100% result over time. So now I ask you, what's your 1% secret? What little action kept consistent every day could change your life forever? Comment below and let me know. Let's inspire each other. And remember, the 1% is not magic. It's you showing up every day. Hit subscribe because on this channel we turn that 1% effort into your life's glow up. Goodbye.